Hi, I'm Michelle from My Purse Strings. This was sent to me. I'm going to do an unboxing of this Katchy. My son has been noticing that there's all these little flies in our house. I don't know if they've been brought in from plants or fruit or what, but they're so little you can't even catch them. So I want to open this up and let's see how it works. It has this wire right here, the plug for the USB. It comes with these Katchy glue boards, and I know you can buy extras of these. So here it is up close, and some important tips I just read. You want to run this only at night. You want to use the glue boards sticky side up, and these last a while. And you want to keep this near fruit, trash cans, anything where bugs like to congregate. I used apple cider vinegar to catch flies, and it's interesting, it says to put it nearby a little jar of apple cider vinegar or even inside. Open this up. Simply place it in the bottom like this. And that's it. Catches fruit flies, mosquitoes, moths, gnats, and it's not very good for regular flies. There are two settings. You can either use low or standard. Dispose of everything. There is a push button here. So you can hear how quiet this is. I ran it the last 2 nights. I forgot to add the apple cider vinegar, but it doesn't seem to have mattered. It did catch a couple of flies, so I am going to be using this nightly. I expect I'll be using it a lot during the summer.